Hello students, welcome to our e-classroom. Here is the setup of our online class. First, you need to open your email and open Google Classroom. There are different ways on how to open Google Classroom. You can click the dots here, scroll down, then select Classroom. Or you can even type classroom.google.com in the Omnibox. Next, select the class you want to attend. In the header, you can see the course code, course title, section, name of the instructor, class code, Meet link. Whenever we have a class, you need to check the session type. If it is synchronous, we need to see each other in an online environment using Google Meet. Just click the Meet link in the classroom header, and then you need to allow to use your microphone and your camera. If you want to adjust some of the settings here, all you need to do is to click on the ellipsis button here for more options, then select Settings. Under Audio, you can select the device that you want to use for microphone and speakers, as well as video. If you have a very fast internet connection, you can select High Definition, 720 pixels, and for receive resolution, High Definition also. But if you have a very slow internet connection, select Standard Definition for send resolution. And there are three options for receive resolution. Standard definition one video at a time, meaning you will open one video only at a time. And if you don't want to see videos, you can select audio only, meaning you will receive sound in the discussion. Click on Done. Join now. So here is the environment of Google Meet. In the lower left portion, you can see the details. You can see the joining info. You can copy it to send it if you want to invite others to join the video conference. And in the middle, you can see your microphone. You can leave call. You can turn off camera. Take note of this class. Please mute your microphone whenever we have a discussion. Therefore, we can have a smooth presentation. If you want to leave our online class, all you need to do is to click Leave Call. And to have a privacy, you can turn off your camera. In the right lower portion, you can see some options here. You can turn on captions, therefore you can read what I'm saying. You can also check the grammar. And do not click Present Now, because if you click it, you will share your screen. You're only allowed to click it if you're assigned to present your report. Now, if you click the ellipsis button here, you can open more options. You can record the meeting, you can change the layout, you can even full screen, turn on captions. If you want to adjust some of the settings, use a phone for audio, report a problem, report abuse, and if you want to have an assistance, you can click on help. Then in the upper portion, you can see the participants. You can see everyone in the video conference. And we have also a chat box here. If you have a very bad connection, you can type your answer here. If I'm asking a question, But if you want to unmute your mic, you can type A in the chat box, meaning you're ready to answer my question using your microphone. Then you can see the time here and also your video streaming. Basically, those are the different settings for synchronous session. On the other hand, if the session type is asynchronous, you don't need to open Google Meet. All you need to do is to follow the instructions carefully and accomplish the task assigned. If you have questions, you can open chat.google.com. You can ask your classmates as well as your teacher, so we can collaborate to each other in a synchronous session. In addition, we have different applications to collaborate to each other. For example, if I ask you to create a document, you can select Docs here. If I ask you to create a spreadsheet, you can select Sheets. And if I ask you to create a presentation, you can select Slides. And in today's activity, I will ask you to create a sketch of a particular invention. You need to do it in Google Drawings. To be able to open Google Drawings, all you need to do is to open Drive. Then you can see here New, click on More, then Google Drawings. Now Google Drawing is under Docs file. So here's the interface of Google Drawings. But if you want to change the file name, you can type here mp1 underscore surname, then first name. Then you can create your sketch here. If you want to pass your file, all you need to do is to click on File, click Download, then JPEG image. Then you can go to classwork, then you can upload it there in our Google Classroom. Basically, those are the different setups or settings, in our online environment using Google.